Yan lang.
Muna nakita. Here comes jersey number 12. 10 seconds on the shot. Lizano inside pass. Good for two. Jersey number 12. Here comes jersey number 4. Tobias setting up the play. Pass jersey number 7. Ama on the attack. Inside pass. Jersey number 6. Good for two.
Sab tayo.
Here comes jersey number 26. Lizano setting up the play. Lizano pass jersey number 77. Inside pass. And there's a whistle.
Ang tubig, bumaray ka napay.
Antik na kami nga.
Ball on jersey number 4.
Ay, mag-pray.
First personal ball on jersey number 4. First keeper.
Tripping si
Ang
Harry.
jersey number 1 de la Peña. Pumasok.
Baby mo. Katabi na kami.
Ulul.
Saan mo lalagay? Tapo ko yan.
Pakaingin.
Senator jersey number 12 de la Peña. Ready, jumper. Pumasok ulit.
Ba't dalawa lang yung referee? Ay, tatlo pala sila guys.
Jersey number 24 Santos. Santos on the ladder. Santos cross over boom. We got jersey number 24 on the attack. To jersey number 6. To jersey number 4. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 4. Floater shot. Number 2.
Oh!
We got jersey number 26. Lizano. Lizano setting up the play. Jersey number 26. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass jersey number 12. Number 12 de la Peña. Good pursuit. Jersey number 12 de la Peña.
Pasa biyahe.
Papunta dito.
Here comes Santos. Jersey number 24. Number 24 crossover move. Number 24 spin move. Drop pass jersey number 6. Spin the way. Chop one.
Laway. Nakapukin kita eh. Uy, kadiri. Pati laway tumatalsik. Pa-share po nung live.
Here comes jersey number 26.
8-4, lamang ang sentro. Ito tumawa.
Zano the lender. Zano setting up the play. Pass jersey number 12 de la Peña. There's a whistle. Troubling violation.
Okay lang yun. Kasi Mati, traveling mo.
Wala yata yun.
Rebound. Pass
Ay,
jersey
clear.
number 24 Santos. Santos on the lender. Jersey number 24 on the attack. Spin. Inside pass. No. And there's a whistle.
Wala.
Nasa biyahe pa.
Jersey number 9.
Nasa biyahe pa.
Number 9, first personal foul for Stinto.
Makakabol yun. Baka nasaan na yun. Nandiyan na yun.
First serve, jersey number 6 Centeno.
Ah.
Pumasok.
Flat yung gulong eh.
Second serve, jersey number 6 Centeno. Ready jumper. Entering Tucson.
Ayun yung idol mo. Lagi may benda.
Rebound, jersey number 9, the Guzman. Pass, jersey number. Here comes jersey number 26, Lizano. Zigzagging move, floater shot. No, rebound ang tayo, jersey number 6, Centeno. Centeno, pass, jersey number 24, Santos. Santos on the attack, Santos. Play up, good for two, jersey number 24, Santos.
Yung mga may alam. Shoutout sa'yo,
Here
Michael
comes
Gingo.
Lizano on the ladder, pass, jersey number 18. Number 8, floater shot, no good. Tingnan mo ka kanino, jersey number 6, Centeno. Pass jersey number, jersey number 4.
Uy, lipi.
Troubling violation.
Shoutout sa'yo, Rico Baron.
Rebound, pass jersey number 26. Here comes Lizano. Stop, pump, no. Out of bounds.
Pa ako yun.
Here comes jersey number 7, Ama. Pass to jersey number 24, Santos. Santos nakalusot. Santos. Drop pass. Line violation.
Tatay po ni Sir Gavin. Kamukha.
Here comes jersey number 26, Rizano. Rizano pass to jersey number 8, De Guzman. Here comes De Guzman. De Guzman pump. De Guzman. Pick. De Guzman pa rin.
Nice one, Joshua. Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout daw. Kay Gat Lizano. Kay Angelito Manalili. Saan ba si Kuya Darwin?
Ibang
Kuya
pass
Darwin.
jersey number 7, Ama.
Labo si Kuya Darwin pa.
Here comes jersey number 7, pass jersey number 24, Santos. Santos nakalusot. Santos. Ball deflected.
10-7 po ang score. Lamang po sentro 3. Kakasimula pa lang po.
Pass ni Lizano.
10-7.
Here comes Lizano. Lizano, zigzagging move. Pilat na tira. Number 3, jersey number 12, De La Peña. Good pressure.
12-7. Lamang po sentro.
Here comes jersey number 24, Santos. Pass ni jersey number 7, Ama. Here comes Ama. Ama nakalusot. Stop. No, rebound. Jersey number 77. Here comes jersey number 77. Cruz. Block. Simple.
Bawi.
Yan, nakangiti. Nakatingin siya. Tapos nakangiti.
Rebound jersey number 77, Cruz. Inside pass, pagiging natira. Number 3, jersey number 18. Number 18 pass, jersey number 7, Ama. Here comes Ama on the laner. Pass, jersey number 4, Tobias.
Huwag mo sandalan kami.
Pass, jersey number 18, Pink. Inside pass, jersey number 6. No, rebound, jersey number 12. And there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 24. First personal foul, jersey number 24. Second, rebound.
Oy, yung hinahanap nyo po, andito na po.
Inbound pass, jersey number 26.
Andito na po si Aris.
Lizano. Here comes Lizano on the ladder. Ginugulog jersey number 4. Lizano pass to Cruz. Inside pass, jersey number 9. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Traveling violation.
Nakakawit po mag-live ah. Nakakawit.
Crossover move, Santos. Santos pa rin. Very good. Rebound jersey number 9. Pass sa jersey number 26, Lizano. Lizano, kontra right jersey number 24. Pass to Cruz. Cruz lays it up. No, rebound ng Patayo. Same ball.
Kaya Darwin, lang siya may daw ba to?
Inbound. Pass jersey number 77, Cruz. Here comes Cruz. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Cruz. Pass to Guzman. Inside pass to La Peña. Good receiver. Jersey number 12, De La Peña. Time out.
Pag time out, di ka mag-awak. Hawakan mo lang. Yan.
Back to the body. Here comes Santos. Santos ang kalusot. Pass jersey number 7, Ama. Ama zigzagging fake. Jersey number 7, ball deflected. Here comes Lizano. 2 minutes to play. Lizano on the ladder. Setting up the play. Inside pass. Goes to number 9. Ball deflected. Here comes goes to number 6. And there's a whistle. Troubling violation. Rebound pass. Goes to number 26. Lizano. Lizano zigzagging move. Tira. No good. Rebound tayo. Goes to number 77. Same ball.
Janle, galingan mo daw, sabi ni Kuya Robert Padilla.
Rebound goes to number 26. Outside pass. Ball deflected. Here comes Santos. To goes to number 7. Easy layup. Goal for 2. To goes to number 71.
Shoutout na si Aaron.
Here comes Cruz. Cruz on the attack. Inside pass. Goes to number 9. Dinukot. Kinalikot. Over. Rebound goes to number 7.
Kinalikot.
Pass goes to number 24. Santos. Santos goes to number 18. Simple.
Benza, receiver!
Ibang goes to number 24. Santos. And there's a whistle. Power goes to number 8. Terus pasok ng goes to number 8.
Nakakaliti ako eh. Nadidistract ako. Bas ka, Darren Dueñas.
Ibang pass goes to number 24. 1 minute to play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Santos.
Tulak.
And there's a whistle. Power goes to number 9.
Receiver, receiver!
Second personal foul goes to number 9.
Ayan po, nagsama na po silang dalawa.
Here comes goes to number 7. Ama, 10 seconds on the shot clock. To goes to number 6. Blake Blotor. You pursue. Here comes goes to number 6. Lizano.
Kumakana na po yung nanay ni Mati.
Cruz. Good pursue. Here goes to number 7. Cruz. 25 seconds to play. Runang Santos.
Kapapangit nila.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Runang Santos.
Paul. Smart.
There's a whistle. Ball goes to number 7. First personal foul goes to number 7. Warning for penalty. 77.
Asan ba?
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning.
May nagreklamo po sa bench.
12 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. Here comes Centeno. 6 seconds to play.
Huwag yun narinig ka sa live mo. Kagago ka.
5 seconds to play. Here comes Lizano. Ball deflected. Basa na lang. And the first water.
Si Janle po, nangingitlog si Janle. Uy, palit ito.
Kapag nga dito lahat kayo lahat kayo.
Huwag mo na palitan yan. Ano lang.
Back to the bowling.
Ganda sana.
Here comes yours number 7, Ama. To yours number 6. Pass yours number 7, Ama. Inside pass yours number 18. Kick out yours number 6. Pass yours number 7. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 18. Number 2 yours number 18. Here comes yours number 4. Number 4, pass jersey number 26, Lizano. Inside pass to jersey number 2, Pete. Ball deflected. Here comes jersey number 18. Here comes Marcelo. Marcelo on the attack. Marcelo inside pass. No ball. Rebound Taino. Here comes Lizano. Lizano on the attack. Zigzagging move. Pass goes to number 3. Good passer. Because to number 3. Here comes Sama. Here's number 7. Number 7 pa rin. Nasa doon. Nakagol sa number 4. Paul Jumper. Good passer. Here's number 4. Here comes Lizano. Pass goes to number 3. Number 3, stop. Here comes jersey number 7. Ama. Pass jersey number 4. Back to jersey number 7. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass jersey number 4. Extra pass. Good for 2. Jersey number 6. Here comes Lizano. Jersey number 3. Number 3 pass to Lizano. Beyond the arc. No rebound. Marcelo. Marcelo pass goes to number 7. Here comes Sama. Looking for his teammate. Pass goes to number 6. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass to jersey number 6. Wait. And there's a whistle. 3 seconds. Violation. Substitution.
Shoutout po sa mga
Here comes
nag-sponsor
jersey
ng
number
tubig.
3. Rivera.
Papangit.
Rivera, ball deflected. Here comes jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 71. Good passer. Jersey number 71.
Bawi!
A score 19 to 21. Here comes jersey number 26. Pass to Rivera. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Cross-court pass. Floater. Good passer. Here comes jersey number 7. Here comes Sama. Pass jersey number 12. Jersey number 18. Get the basket. And 1. That's the count. Paul jersey number 18. Substitution. Bonus shot. Jersey number 71. Here comes Rivera. Lizano. Stop. Pump. Too strong. Rebound. Jersey number 71. Pass jersey number 4. Here comes jersey number 4 on the ladder. Number 4. Setting up the play. Pass jersey number 71. Good for 2. Jersey number 71. Nice score. Deadlock sa 23. Here comes jersey number 3. Rivera. No, rebound. Wrong time jersey number 7.
Pilit.
Kaya mo kayo pag na-shoot ha.
It's your timeout. Here comes jersey number 4. Pass jersey number 24. Number 4. Block. Rebound jersey number 7. Number. Rebound of Taino. Jersey number 7 again. Out of bounds. Basket time. Basket time. Timeout. Stand through.
Sintas ka mo, sintas. Tama.
Back to the body. Williams, jersey number 3, Rivera. Jersey number 3 on the ladder. Pass jersey number 26, Lizano. Lizano looking for his teammate. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes Lizano. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Lizano to jersey number 3. And there's a whistle. 3 seconds violation. Here comes jersey number 4. Pass jersey number 7. Number 7. Pass to Santos. Behind the arc. No rebound. Out of bounds. Single.
Di nagkaamo yun. Mabago kasi.
Inbound. Jersey number 24. Inside pass. Jersey number 12. No rebound. Out of bounds. Central ball. Player lang daw po nasa bench. Players lang daw po nasa bench.
Player lang po dyan, tsaka po po.
Ako, basta ako, taga-live ako, taga-live ako. Ako mo ako tubig, Justin, napapagod ako.
Mamaya na, pag time out.
Sige.
Inbound. Pass jersey number 26, Lizano. Here comes jersey number 26, Lizano, setting up the play. Pass jersey number 4. Number 4. Inside pass jersey number 18. 10 seconds on the shot clock. To jersey number 26. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Lizano. No. Rebound. Jersey number 4. Pass jersey number 26, Lizano. And there's a whistle. Ball jersey number 2. First personal ball jersey number 2. First zone is Lizano. In and out. Second row jersey number 26, Lizano. Hindi pa pumasok. Rebound jersey number 7, Alma. Pass jersey number 4. Here comes number 4. Pass to Santos. Here comes Santos. Fake Santos. Zigzag move. Jersey number 4. Out of bounds. Substitution. Number 7. Alma. Labas ka muna. Here comes jersey number 3. Rivera. To jersey number 26, Fake. And there's whistle. Traveling violation. Substitution. Here comes jersey number 24, Santos. Santos. Pass jersey number 4. Number 4, crossword pass, jersey number 71, Fake. Stop. Inside pass, jersey number 12. Jersey number 4, no. Rebound, jersey number 18, 5 seconds on the shot clock. And there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 18. Second personal foul, jersey number 18. First team foul.
Pa-share po ng live.
Second team foul. First zone, di pumasok. Second row, di baru pumasok. Here comes Rivera. Rivera to jersey number 1 to Rivera. Get the basket. At may kasama pong Brown. Foul jersey number 12. Substitution. 7 personal foul jersey number 12. One shot. Pumasok.
Presto!
Here comes Santos. Santos crossover move. Zigzagging move. Kick out. To goes number 71. No. Rebound goes number 18. Pass goes number 4. To goes number 26. Lizano. To goes number. Here comes jersey number 3. Rivera. 10 seconds on the shot clock. No. Rebound goes number. Out of bounds.
Hustle play na we.
Nanay ni Man.
Here comes jersey number 24, Santos. Pass jersey number 4. Pass to Santos. Back to jersey number 4. Beyond the arc. Here comes jersey number 26, Lizano. Lizano. Pass to jersey number 20, La Peña. Under the whistle.
Hindi, bus Paul yan.
Ball on jersey number 18.
Bigyan mo na ng bigyan, Gat.
First personal ball, jersey number 18. Ang first goal, Miguel La Peña. Di pumasok.
Wala talagang free throw si Jen.
Second throw, jersey number 12. Pumasok na. Here comes Santos, jersey number 24. Pass jersey number 4. Number 4. Pass jersey number 24, Santos. Santos to jersey number 6. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Behind the back pass. Ball deflected. Here comes jersey number. Offensive foul. On jersey number 24, Santos. Second personal foul. Substitution. Inbound, pass jersey number 36, Lizano. Lizano to jersey number 3, Rivera. 2 minutes to play. Here comes Rivera, zigzagging move, inside pass to La Peña. Good position. As one again, 29-26 in favor of Centro. Here comes jersey number 7, Ama. Pass jersey number 4. Number 4. Pass to Ama, floater. Good position, jersey number 7. Here comes Lizano, nakalusot. No, rebound. Lizano ulit, over. Rebound ang ball, jersey number 7. Here comes Ama, to jersey number 4. Number 4. And there's a whistle.
Aburata lang ni Poppy.
Foul on jersey number 3. First personal foul on jersey number 3. Third team foul. Timeout. Blues.
Technical daw.
Shout out po. Stash Melvin. Shout out sa'yo, Stash Melvin.
Justin, nagtutubig pa. Ay, nabasa ako. Bad ko ha, binasama ko ha. Shoutout po kay Mami RR.
Rebound jersey number 4. Pass jersey number 18. Pass jersey number 6. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Centeno to Ama. Ama spin. Ball deflected. And there's Foul on jersey number 7. Penalty.
Clark, bulati ka ba? Kalikot mo eh.
Take time, take time.
Ano shooting yung sa club?
Ang first zone, jersey number 4, Nazar. Di pumasok. Second zone, jersey number 4, Nazar. Pumasok.
Pangas na tumira niya sa terasa.
Here comes jersey number 7, 1 minute to play. Pass jersey number 4. Number 4 to jersey number 7, Ama to jersey number 6, Centeno. No, rebound to jersey number 12. De La Peña to jersey number. Here comes jersey number 4, Nazar. Nazar, fake. Kick out, Rizano. B and they are. No, rebound jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 4, Nazar. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Under service. Traveling violation.
Traveling daw, sabi ni Rep. Narinig ko. Traveling ka dyan!
Here comes jersey number 7, Ama. Number 7, jersey number 4, B at the arc. Change springboard. Dalawa na isa ang team ng Dreamers.
Niluto
Here
nga
comes
tayo
jersey
nun.
number 3, 10 seconds to play. Ano sa isa? Traveling
Biga pala
violation.
nagluluto. Si Bilog! Mukhang
5 seconds
itlog!
to play. Basa na lang. Good person.
Sayang.
And the first up. Ang score natin, 33 to 30 in favor of Dreamers.
Dota, may bigay. Tropa mo yan eh. Hihingi ng tropa mo.
Ano yung tubig ko?
Ayun, gudan. Score 33-30. Lamang ng tatlo ang Dreamers.
Sayang di ka naman to. Hindi yan sa powers ko. Kevin Durant. Ilan ang
Shout out sa kapatid ko.
Baliw! Best point guard.
Best point guard. Ala nga yata nabigyan ng ano dyan eh.
Galit, di ako yun. Lalabasan mo na lang kay Bebe.
Kaya nga. So,
Nakalit tayo. Oo, Epal. Bukawit siya si Mati.
Pass na Mati.
Kamagaso, Mati.
Inbound, the pass jersey number 3, Rivera. Pass jersey number 8, de Guzman. Airport.
Okay na, hindi play, hindi yun.
Here comes jersey number 7, Ama.
Tatay Ped.
Ama on the ladder, jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 18, Marcelo. Jersey number 6. Inside pass, ball deflected. Here comes Lizano. Jersey number 7, Cruz.
Uy!
The basket.
Nahuli yung live.
At may kasama pang foul. Foul jersey number 7. Second personal foul jersey number 7. Substitution. Ang buong shot, jersey number 77, Cruz. Di pumasok. Out of bounds.
Di dumiretso sigat eh. Higat yun eh.
Rebound, jersey number 18, pass jersey number 7, Ama. Ring Sama to jersey number 4, to jersey number 24, Santos, airball. Ring jersey number 3, Rivera, ball deflected. Ring jersey number 4, to jersey number 6, Centeno, East River points, good pursuit. Ring jersey number 26, Lizano to De La Peña, good pursuit. As for number 35 to 34. Here comes jersey number 7, Ama. Pass jersey number 24, Santos, crossover move, jersey number 4. Good pursuit, jersey number 4. Here comes Lizano, Lizano number 3, Rivera, rubber. Rebound of jersey number 7. Here comes Ama. Ama. Ada Samiso, double dribble. Here comes jersey number 26, Lizano. Lizano passes jersey number 3, too strong.
Saan ka nakasakay? Ha?
Here comes jersey number 7, Ama. Passes jersey number 24, Santos. To jersey number 4, Tobias. Tobias. Stop! Point! No rebound to jersey number 7, Ama. Good pursuit. Here comes jersey number 26, Lizano. To jersey number 37, Cruz. Cruz on the ladder. Inside pass, jersey number 3. Now jersey number 12. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Number 3, spin. Good pursuit. Here comes jersey number 7, Ama. Ama pass jersey number 24, Santos. Crossover move. Santos, stop. Pluto, no, rebound. And there's a whistle. Ball jersey number 3. Second personal foul, jersey number 3, Rivera. Inbound, jersey number 24, Santos. To jersey number 4. Block, Nawanino. Same ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Inbound, pass to Santos. Jersey number 24, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Now jersey number 18. And there's a whistle. Ball on jersey number 3, pushing foul. Third personal foul. And jersey number 3. Ang personal jersey number 18, Marcelo, pumasok. Ang score, 40 to 36 in favor of Dreamers. Second row, pumasok ulit. Here comes jersey number 3. Rivera. Rivera on the ladder. Pass jersey number 26, Lizano to Cruz. And it's a result. Ball on jersey number 6. First personal ball on jersey number 6. 17 foul. Person. Itu mas.
Tupal,
Two
dumaan.
shots. Illegal entry.
Joshua! Joshua! Dikitan mo. Dikitan mo, dikitan mo.
Second row, ready jumper. In and out. Here comes jersey number 18, Marcelo. Marcelo Valero, and there's a whistle. Ball in jersey number 77.
Jersey number 77, second personal foul. Third team foul. Madami ng contact team, kaya ako nalik. And number 18, using the glass by Tobias, tala ng puntos. 43-37, still on the lead, Team Dreamers. Idol based na content. And jersey number 8, shot clock down to 10. And jersey number 26, Mr. GDL. On the glass, no good. Sa kanya pa rin, number 26. On the baseline, Dela Peña, no good. Rebound by Centeno to Ama. The court general, jersey number 24, Santos and Tobias. But there's a kicking ball, reset shot clock. And jersey number 26, GDL Paprasuhan, Dos puntos! Baba sa apat ang kalamangin na may tama ng bola. And jersey number 7 to number 24, looking for a friend to Tobias with a big in and out. Rebound by number 77. Jersey number 77 to GDL. Got next to Lisano Madrid. And rebound by Tobias. Jersey number 7. And number 7, Ama, being trouble. Tobias, Sagre, puts it up. Nagib, and Rivera taking spike. Pass to jersey number and pass. Puntos. And jersey number 24. Now, and jersey number Tobias. Nice shot, good dribble. And jersey number 3, Sagiled, atake Dela Peña, in and out. Rebound by number 18 to jersey number 4, Tobias. Down the ladder to jersey number 24, pressing the ball with a crossover. Nakalusot, Tobias on the side. Dos puntos. Balik sa anin, and Rivera. There's a foul committed by jersey number 24, substitution. Idol teams ng konti. O kaya pakibalik na lang sa kanina. Third personal foul. Check A1. Yan. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. And jersey number 26, Lisano, and Paul Nogid. And jersey number 7. Looking for a play to number 4. And Donka Nagid. Rebound by Rivera. Jersey number 3. Sumaksa. Dos puntos. 47-43. And jersey number 7. Ama. Down there. Jersey number 7 taking smart. And Kapitan is still by Rizano. Jersey number 26. Nagid. And jersey number 7. Pass to number 4. Puts it up. Bang. Good for 2. And Coach Jack called the timeout for the team. Central. Remaining time 2 minutes and 17 seconds. He scored 43-49. Anim na puntos. Magmuli Jersey number 3, Rivera, down the letter. Pass to jersey number 26, Lizano. Pass and jumper, no good. But there's a foul committed by jersey number 15. Number 15, Lorenzo Arges. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Jersey number 26. Atake Lizano. Dos! Punto! Baba sa tatlo ang kalaman ng defending champion. I mean, apat. Baba sa apat ang kalaman. And number 4, to Lorenzo. Yun lang, traveling violation. And of course, magandang gabi po. The man behind unstoppable plays to highlight the moves of each player, Mr. Michael Rodriguez. And blocking foul committed by jersey number 15. Penalty na.
Ako naman.
Second personal foul.
Coach, ako naman.
Nice one by Rivera. Nice one. Substitution round. Lorenzo out. And jersey number 6. Ang pagkawala ni Antinora, Mr. Centeno. And jersey number 6, Paul Magid, rebound by reverse cover by jersey number 18. Balik sa apat ang kalamangan, isang minuto. And jersey number 3, Rivera. And jersey number 7, Ama, pressing the ball, looking for a friend. Number 18 to number 7, shot up, down to 15. Yun lang, traveling violation. Sir? Prototype. And jersey number 26. Number 26 to jersey number 4, Lazar Magid. I mean, sino yan? Rivera ka, magkahawag. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. And number 7, Ama puts it up. In and out. Rebound by Rivera. Lizano 1v1. Santa Puplantay. Goal. 7 seconds to play. In out. Number 18. And of the third quarter, we score 47-51.
Haris, bawi ka. Bawi ka.
Team Doritos. Check A1. DJ Conti finish pa konti. Treble. Check A1. A1. A1 sound.
Sila Kiro.
A1.
Oh.
Hoy, Barangay Ilawan! As we continue the series of championship game, ito na po ang huling salpukan ng dalawang higanting kupunan sa pagitan po yan ng Dreamers and Santos. Sino kaya ang papangalanan?
Last quarter na, last quarter. 51-47.
Basketball game entering the last and final quarter of the game.
51-47 lamang po, Dreamers.
Fresh from Taiwan, kapatid Ram Reyes. Jersey number 24, And jersey number 3.
Number 4.
Pass to jersey number 3, jumper, short. And jersey number 4, Tobias ang magtitimoy. To jersey number 24, the court general, Santos Tobias, fire! Magig! And jersey number 12, ang pakawalan ni Tata Demon de la Peña. To jersey number 3, sumalaksak, Magig! And there's a foul committed by jersey number 2, substitution right. First personal foul. First team foul. And of course, happy viewing po to Nanay Rosario Manapakat Tubig. Ayan. Lasang-lasa ang rino sa kanyang lugaw. And jersey number 10, second shot lang. Number 24, sa gilid. Tungka, iyon lang. Traveling violation. And jersey number 4, Nazar. Pass jersey number 26, Lizano down the letter. Number 26 to jersey number 77. Aatake on the baseline. De La Peña to Hope. And Nazar puts it out. Bang! By jersey number 4.
53-50, tatlo na lang po. Tatlo lamang ng Dreamers. 8 minutes, 8 minutes.
And jersey number 24, Santos to Tobias. Tobias does second shot clock. And number 4, jump on side, in and out. And jersey number 26. But there's a foul committed by jersey number 6. Push foul. 7 personal foul. And of course, magandang gabi po kay Paring Ansar, ang inaanak ni Paring Junjun. And jersey number 2 now, number 26, Shannon Pilipa. Nice shot, good for 2. Baba sa isang kalamangan ng defending champion, jersey number 7, standing at the ball, sa gilid mag-aabang, Santos to Alma, and number 18, bumuwag yung defense side, nice shot by Centeno. And jersey number 26, sa gilid, and Nazar, shot lock down to 8, and number 77, De La Peña. But there's a foul committed by jersey number
4.
6. Jersey number 6. Third personal foul. First throw by jersey number 12.
55-52, tatlo po lamang.
Tatak Devon. Nice move.
55-53, score.
Second row still by De La Peña. Nice move.
55-54, isa lang po lamang.
Sana all mahal na mahal. And jersey number 4, Tobias. Atake to jersey number 7. And out of bounds, same ball. 8-second shot lang. Parang kinakabahan si Oya. And jersey number 7. 5-second shot lang. And jersey number jumper, no good, and rebound by. There's a foul committed by jersey number 4, Nazar. First personal foul, second team foul. And jersey number, iyon nga ni 11 second shot lang. 11 second shot lang. And jersey number 4, and jumper, no good, and number 24, offensive foul, jersey number 24, jersey number 24,
Warning, warning.
warning. warning for disqualification. Warning for technical bench ng Dreamer. Magandang gabi po sa coaching staff ng Gabber Cards, Mr. Gary Gutierrez. Coaching staff na ngayon. 21 seconds on the shot clock. And there's the number 12, ang pagkawala na down. Who's foul back? Number 18. Second personal foul, number 18. Warning for penalty, 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Number 7 yung lang, maunang itiin. 10 second shot clock. And number 27 is still. And jersey number 18, Marcelo Lemos. 2 puntos. And jersey number, intercept jersey number 4, aatakin. But there's a ball committed by jersey number 4.
Toy, puta mo, Toy!
2.
Toy!
Jersey number 2, second personal foul, 13 foul. Timeout, Sandro. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 27 seconds for the last and final quarter of the game. Score, 57-54. Tatlong puntos ang bante ng kupunan ng team Dreamers. Jenny, sa lang po ang timeout. Of course, maraming salamat po Barangay Inaon. Mula po ng ating opening hanggang ngayon ay patuloy po ang ating partisipasyon sa isang masayang panliga po mula po sa Sangguniang Kabataan ng Inaon, headed by our very own SK Chairwoman herself, SK Chairperson Angela Cruz, kasama po ang magigiting na pagsipan na SK Kagawad. We have
Sisikat
SK
yata nga,
Laika
matigas yan.
Asio, SK Jeremy Banag, SK Joshua Pascua, SK
Ako naman.
Naman Asio, SK Maristela Pasino, and SK JC Enriquez. Kasama po sina SK Secretary Maxine Gregorio
Di kita
and
papakita.
SK Treasurer Clark Allen.
Oh, yung mata mo.
Hindi mo magpapakita.
Yung mata mo, baby. Papaluin ko mabalik yan.
5 minutes and 27 seconds.
Bumibigit yung mata.
First throw by Toby Ross. No good. Ay, good pala. Nice one. Second throw. Nice one again. 59-54. Kabadong-kabado si Mami Berta ng Taos. And jersey number 3. And jersey number 4. Setting the table. Sa gilid. And jersey number 24, Santos. To Poppy. Yun lang. Traveling violation. And of course, magandang gabi po and big shout out to Boss Ethan De La Cruz. Kasama po ang kanyang may bahay, Madam Rose De La Cruz. And magandang shot by Bella Penina. And jersey number 18, Marcelo Damandaler. And jersey number 7, Alma Totobias. 10 second shot clock. And jersey number 6, Japper Black. Saan ka pupunta, idol? 5 second shot clock. And jersey number 6. And point upon rebound by Rivera. Jersey number 3. And number 7. Oh, shot. Good for 2. And number 26. Jersey number 26. Pass to number 3. Rivera. Ataque to the Peña. 2 puntos. 4 minutes to play.
Rivera, tatlo.
And jersey number 18. Number 18. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 26. Jersey number 26. First personal foul. Both teams warning for penalty. First throw is good.
Joshua!
And first of the viewing for to Mr. Renato Dionisio Jr. And jersey number 18. Nice shot. Good for you. Balik sa anim ang kalamangan ng defending champion. And jersey number 3. Rivera with a crossover jumper. 2 puntos. And Coach Lance Garcia called a timeout for the Team Rivers during time. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. The score 60-64. Humiyaw para sa upunan ng team Power Guys. Ay, I mean Rivers. Sorry. Pamati kasi pamati. Alright, consider po ang mga nanalo ng gabi sa match na ito ay 500 pesos galing po sa former SK Kagawad RJ Manapat from Taiwan.
Oh, nakatuto.
Mamaya pa kasi yung sa rubber cards nila.
Lapit!
And jersey number 24, Santos sa gilid, Ama, and Tobias. Tobias, aatake! Magig, kapitan, Marcelo with a recovery with a crossover. Jersey number 6, Santero, wala pa rin. Marcelo, dos puntos. And jersey number 3, Rivera. Jersey number 3, jumper, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3. And number 3, Santos. To number 7. To number 6. And number 18. Number 18. To number 4, jumper. Wala. Rebound by number 12. And jersey number 3. Number 3, Rivera, nakalusot. Jumper. Wala. And jersey number 4. Tobias.
Lapit!
Looking for a friend. And jersey number 77. Cruz. Dos puntos. And number 7. Ama. Last 2 minutes. And number 24, Santos. On the goal post and shot block. In-out. And number 24. Pass to jersey number 7. Sa gilid, Tobias. Tobias, atake. Nice shot. Very good gentlemen.
Hoy, dali!
And jersey number 3. Nice shot. Good for 2. 1 minute and 26.
Hoy, harapan nyo!
And jersey number 4, Tobias. Atake jersey number 4.
Nice one, Joshua!
Looking for a friend. 10-second shot clock. And Centeno to number 18. Nice shot. And timeout Central. Remaining time 1 minute and 9 seconds to play. Score 64-70. Magbunyi Coach Jen, alam mo time out.
Wala na tayo mag
Alam
coach Jen.
mo ang Dreamers.
Ay, mabag yan. Ayusin mo nila.
Sana gumana na si...
Now jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, Atake Rivera de la Peña. 1 minute forward. And Coach Swans call the timeout for the team. Dreamers, 1 minute and 4 seconds left. The score, 66-70. Apat na puntos para sa upunan ng Dreamers.
Nagugo ah. Hindi naman.
Isa na lang po ang timeout ng Dreamers.
Tutok nga eh. Tutok.
And of course, magandang gabi po kay Boss Rico Bamba. Kailan ba ang Rico?
Okay na yan.
Kailan ba ribbon cutting? And jersey number. 1 minute to play. And jersey number. Nice shot. Good for two. Nice cross. Nice cross.
Sayang!
56 seconds.
Okay, sama! Okay!
And jersey number.
Game! Dito lang.
Oh, yung bench ah.
56 seconds. And number 18. Jersey number 18. 18 seconds shot clock. And timeout! Dreamers score 52 seconds. Time 52 seconds. Score 70-68. Dalawang puntos para sa upunan ng Dreamers. Wala po timeout. Magkabilang team. Of course, magandang po sa team Gangan. Isa mo lang dyan. Hey. Seconds on the shot clock. And jersey number. Guys, second shot clock. And number 10.
Ah!
Kami no.
43 seconds.
Pare, help. Pare, tingin lang kayo ah.
Mark, tingin.
Anong hindi? And jersey number 3, Rivera with isolation, Atake!
Lapit! Depensa!
Number 8, pushing foul. Second personal foul. Both teams are in penalty. First goal, Barangay Ilaw. Meron o wala? Second goal, still Magino. Meron o wala? Now